Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to add content with blocks to your Squarespace 7.1 site using the Fluid Engine. Whether you're building your first website or refining your existing pages, learning this essential skill will empower you to create beautiful layouts and share your message more effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add sections, insert different kinds of blocks, and customize them to make your site truly your own. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Squarespace account and choose the website you'd like to edit. If you're already familiar with the interface, this will feel pretty straightforward, but if not, don't worry, I'll walk you through each part. Once you're in your dashboard, look for your site and hit Edit. This brings you into the heart of Squarespace's Fluid Engine, the builder where all the magic happens. Now, take a moment and familiarize yourself with the page editor. Notice how everything is laid out. You'll see your existing content, but what we care about is making something new. To do that, you'll need to add a new section. Sections are basically the main building blocks for organizing content vertically on your page. Think of them like shelves where you can place different items. To add a section, just hover around the spot where you want your new content to appear and click the Add Section button. Sometimes it takes a second just to spot where the button is hiding, but don't worry, it's usually marked with a plus icon. Once your section is created, you can start bringing your content to life by adding blocks. Blocks are the individual elements, kind of like Lego pieces that you arrange within each section. Click Add Block, and you'll see all sorts of options laid out for you. You'll notice a list that includes text, button, form, newsletter, shape, line, map, markdown, summary, social link, image, and many more. Take a moment here to look through them. It's a good idea to get familiar with all the possibilities. Every block serves a different purpose and helps your site function in a unique way. For example, use text for paragraphs or headings, image for photos or graphics, and button for calls to action like links to other pages or contact forms. If you're planning to collect email addresses, you might be interested in the newsletter block. It's a bit like having a tool belt with all sorts of gadgets at your disposal. For this demonstration, let's start by adding a text block. This is probably the most common block you'll use. Simply click on Text, and it will pop into your section. Type whatever you want here. For example, you could introduce yourself or explain your business. Remember, you can format this text, choosing the font size, style, or alignment so it fits perfectly within your site's look and feel. Now let's bring in some visual interest by adding an image block. Click Add Block again and select Image. You'll be prompted to upload a file from your computer or select one from your library. It's okay if you don't have the perfect photo ready. Squarespace even offers some stock images. Position the image wherever you want within your section. You can drag it around, resize it, or move it beside your text to create a nice combination. This is the beauty of Fluid Engine. You get precise control of your layout, almost like arranging furniture in a room so visitors feel welcome and engaged. And that's it. You've just added text and image blocks to a section, making your page both informative and visually appealing. Take your time to experiment with different blocks and layouts. Don't worry if it feels a bit overwhelming at first. It gets easier the more you play around. You can always undo or move things until you're happy. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and drop any questions you have in the comments. I'm always here to help. And if you want more simple and effective Squarespace tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss a thing. Thanks for watching and happy building.